Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Divine. I do a lot of luxury videos, I do reviews, travel videos, and vlogs, and I do a lot of hauls. And for today's video, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, that I will be doing a reveal of something that I purchased recently. I believe I purchased this right before the whole stay-at-home thing, and I know it's been crazy in the last few weeks. And no, I think I purchased this right a couple days after it, just because I was staying at home and I did see that this was on sale, and I have been wanting this particular item for a while. And surprise surprise, it is not a Louis Vuitton item. And I did kind of have a sneak peek on my IG. If you guys haven't followed, or if you guys are not following me there yet, please follow me. I will insert my IG name over here. The box that I have, it is not going to be an unboxing because I did open this already, so it won't be a real unboxing. So here is the item. I did or here is a box, not the item, but I did do a sneak peek on my IG about this box, and I wanted to share this with you guys because I actually saw this item last year around right before summertime, or around summertime, around there, and I did want to purchase it just because of I had a reason that why I wanted to purchase it, but I stopped myself from doing so. This is the item, or the dust bag, and to reveal this item, it is dun, 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 dun. It is the Coach CASSIE handbag, and I got it in the pink color. So you guys all know I do love pink, and if you guys have seen my video from a couple videos ago when I mentioned it was about my Pochette Metis, the reason why I wanted to get this was because it is a dupe for the Pochette Metis. When I saw this one initially, I was like, that looks exactly like a Pochette Metis, minus, like, you know, the whole LV and embossed LV. And yeah, anyways, it's pretty much almost the same as a Pochette Metis, minus like the zipper right here. I wanted a pink Pochette Metis in the empreinte, but I just don't want to get that right now. I don't want to spend the money on it. So I've been wanting to get this bag, so I just thought that I should get it in pink. I wanted a white one, but I thought it was a bad idea, so I thought I'll just get it in pink. So I was kind of itching for a new pink bag, so that's why I got this one. Anyways, so this is it. Let me just show you guys. Let me just unwrap everything. So guys, here she is. She looks a lot better without the wrapping and everything, and as you guys can tell, like the hardware there, the kind of like a gunmetal. I'm not exactly sure if that's the color that they're using, but it's pretty similar, like they're sisters with Pochette Metis. And it also comes with a strap, also adjustable, and it's pretty much the same for the handle. It's kind of like a messenger bag. In the back, it does not have the zipper. I'm sorry for my nails, just because, you know, quarantine life, and I'm doing my nails at home by myself, or I have like a little gel light thing, so I do my nails at home. So guys, it doesn't have the zipper, but it is wider than Pochette Metis. You can actually, like, if you've seen my video before, as you guys know, that I fit my phone vertically, not horizontally, but in this bag I'm pretty sure that I'll be able to fit my phone this way instead of like standing up. I still don't know where to look, I'm so sorry, but I'll be able to fit it this way instead of just like standing up that way. And in the front, it's also a turn lock. I like how minimalist the Coach is, because before it used to be a bunch of like C's. I'm telling you guys, Coach is like making a comeback, and I feel like a lot of their releases right now are actually pretty good. They look so nice, and by the feel of this bag right now, the quality is really, really nice. But here you go. Inside, I think it's kind of like a deep purple color. I'm not sure if it is showing correctly on the camera, but it is like that. And like the Pochette Metis, it has a compartment right here, one right here, and one right there. It also have a zipper pocket right here. They really package this well, guys. Everything is like wrapped really, really good. But let me take these out. So guys, inside it is actually slightly different from the Pochette Metis, because if I turn it around, you guys can see that there is another pocket right here compared to the Pochette Metis. The Pochette Metis does not. This one does. So it has a pocket right here, right here. There's two pockets, one with a zipper and one without, and then one over here as well. I'm so glad that I was able to get this one, because I was kind of contemplating whether I was gonna get it or not at the time, and I'm so glad that they did have a sale. Plus, I used my Ebates. If you guys don't use Ebates, and you guys are losing money, because I used my Ebates and I did get 4% back. And yeah, so this is it, guys. I just wanted to show you guys and share with you this bag. This is very, very exciting for me. I have not bought any Coach bag in such a long time. I believe the last time was maybe almost 10 years ago. It feels like it's like about 10 years ago. And this is my first Coach purchase in a decade. That's pretty exciting. This one retails for $350. A Pochette Metis right now I think retails for $18.80 for a regular monogram, and for the Emprunt it's around $2,000 if I'm not mistaken. I don't have my phone, so I can't check for you guys at the moment. I'll probably just insert the price for the Pochette Metis. This one is $350. I did get it 30% off. I believe I paid around $260, around there, $270. I don't remember, but it was less than retail. So this is a score for me. So that is it, guys. I will be doing a comparison video between this bag and also the Pochette Metis bag. That would probably come out after this video or the next video. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing or reveal video. I feel like I'm a little all over the place. This is what happens when I don't film constantly or continuously. I kind of forget how to film and I don't have the right setup. But thanks for watching this video with me, and just please bear with me. I'm trying to get my life back together, especially with all the craziness that's happening. I am a little affected by the pandemic, not work-wise, where to the point that I can't work. It's not that. It's more of the schedule that I have to work, because we had a little hiccup at home where my son's daycare, they actually closed, so my son doesn't have a babysitter while my husband and I go to work. And his family that's helping with babysitting, they actually went to El Salvador because of some family matters, so they were kind of stuck there for a while, and I had to stay home. And then when my husband gets home, I do go to work. So my world is kind of upside down at the moment. It's all over the place. That's why this video is also all over the place. But so far everybody is safe. I'm safe, my family is safe, and I'm hoping you guys are safe. Stay safe, guys. Stay at home. And I wish that everything would go back to normal soon. I know that it's kind of it's getting to everybody sooner than we expected. I know there's a lot of people who's getting depressed, or they can't just stay at home, but I know that if we just think positive and think of the outcome why we're doing this, I think we could get through it. So please stay at home. That is it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please like this video, subscribe, and also click on that bell button to get notified of my future videos. Alright guys, bye!